How's it going, guys? Today we're gonna use this Saker handheld chainsaw to kind of clean up the yard a little bit. It's finally somewhat nice outside, so take advantage of the last part of the day, clean up some sticks and debris and everything. So had some snow and everything else, and some branches have fallen down, so I'm gonna pick them all up and either take them to the fire pile area or put them in the burn barrel. I'm not sure yet. I pushed the golf cart out here because Carson's asleep. Didn't want to fire up the golf cart. Needs to wake up. I haven't driven this thing in a month or so. I kind of gathered all these sticks a little while ago. Let's cut them to length. Nice having one of these and not having to worry about a full-size chainsaw. Makes this whole job so much easier. Not to mention it's quiet. I'd wake Carson up with the chainsaw if I had that out. Not too much left, just some small stuff, so we'll leave that. See if there's any other big stuff out here. See some long branches over here. Sucks picking it all up, but it's good firewood. Alright, let's go check the other side of the creek. Look at that, fits right in that cubby. Burning, I'll leave that there. Some other branches. Golf cart, if you could stay over here, that would be nice. Got some nice Corona bottles. Someone was hanging out, I guess. Need like a battery operated camera I can stick over here. Would be nice. So I'm not dealing with people littering and all that stuff all the time. So I was just gonna break this. That's like my go-to. It's just trying to snap with my knee. But there's no need to, because I have this handy dandy saw. Look at that. So easy. After I do all this, I guess I'm gonna be picking up some trash. Because it seems I haven't done that in a while. By the way, my project in the spring is to chop that other telephone pole and drag it over here. I want to get this bridge going. It's all icy down there. I wonder how thick the ice is. We'll go around and we'll see, I guess. See if I fall in the water or not. Doesn't look like there's any more branches really. Everything else, if it falls, it lands in the woods. So we'll go around, across the bridge. To grandmother's house we go. Gotta get the saw. Huh, that's a big old branch. Hey, this is actual, I can't tell if that's good wood to burn. No, it's not, but I hate this stuff. This one actually might not. I can't really tell anymore. If it's a weed tree or if it's decent stuff. I think that's weed tree stuff. Go ahead and unload all this. Put it in my pile. My miscellaneous pile. And then I think we'll go ahead and get rid of all this debris. If I remember, I dumped this thing. Go. I need to figure out how to re-weld this thing. It's aluminum, so that sucks. See, that's pretty solid. That one not as much. The wider it is, the better it is. It's kind of what I've learned. But yeah, I want to scoot this telephone pole to the left, bring that other one in. I'll have to cut it shorter, put some slats across it, and be able to drive across here, so I don't have to keep going all the way around to the bridge or all the way around next to the highway. I can just cut back and forth here. Unfortunately, the golf cart's not able to climb that side. Otherwise, you could just go down and back up. If I had a four-wheeler, again, they would have no problem. But also, if you have high water or anything, it'd be nice to just drive across the bridge. I might go grab the little mini chainsaw and cut this thing up. This thing's been here for a while and it's pretty long. Ugh. Let's see how it does. I know they said 4-inch max, but here we go. You can do it. Look at those shavings. Whew. A lot of shavings. Look at that. In fact, you can cut something like this quiet in the woods with this little thing. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Get some. Let's take this thing back and charge it. I need to use it some more. Alright, we're gonna do our quick trash pickup. I did install some more lights on the Dolphin cart. As you can see, I added some side lights. Someone's little drinking party. I think maybe I put these there a long time ago because these have a lot of trash in them. A lot of trash in the trash. So we have our side lights on each side. And then we have our rear lights. Do the quick reach and grab when I can. Coca-Cola. That's from the movie theaters. Always telling it's a gigantic cup. Would be nice. I've been getting the whole street from stop sign to signal light. I don't have that much room. That sounds like I'm an alcoholic. Bottles flinging around. See that one there was down in the ditch. Whew. Holy cow, it's like a whole different world down here. More cups. Foil lid. People really can't throw stuff away for free at the gas station. They just gotta throw it in someone's weeds. It's so annoying. That was a lot more than I bargained for. Thought I went for a Twisted Tea can. Holy cow. There's so much trash. Ah! I got stick tights all over my shoes. I have way more than I bargained for today. I got stick tights on my jacket, my sleeves, my gloves, everywhere. Ugh. Yeah, people are some alcoholics, man. Drinking and driving or whatever. You guys don't even want to see the other side of the highway. It's littered like a shotgun blast went off. There's so much stuff out here. Come on, Cup, I'm coming for you. Right in the ear with a stick. Yeah. Alright, I don't even have enough to do this whole street. Like, even just our property. It's too much. Too much. Jeez Louise. This is what happens when you take a couple weeks off from picking up trash. It's like they take advantage of it. If I had an empty trash can, I could do this the whole evening. Just from people leaving their dang trash everywhere. Plastic bags and wrappers. That thing's been there a while. That is the last St. Patrick's Day, I'm guessing. And there goes a piece of trash. Defeats the purpose if I pick it up and it blows right back out. I parked next to a piece of trash, but I can't see it now. For tonight. Might do it again tomorrow. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. It's too windy out here.